surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kristen and this is Homemaking Heaven. So welcome to my channel if you're new. In today's video, I will be spring cleaning my living room and my entryway to my home. I hope that you guys get a ton of motivation if you're already in spring cleaning mode or if you need some inspiration to get there. I hope this video does that for you today. And if you're new, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. And enjoy today's spring cleaning, deep cleaning motivation.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good?
Now I'm moving on to deep cleaning these chairs. They needed a really good dust and vacuumed out. I did not do a couple of things in this video because one is I was a little too short to reach a couple of the items, so I'll have to get my husband to help me a little bit more with those. And I did not carpet clean this rug because it cannot be carpet cleaned. So I only run my Bissell Crosswave over it, and that gives it a nice little clean and refresh. So I did not do those things in today's video, but this is a nice deep clean. I also need to figure out how I want to clean my curtains. I'm thinking about they're probably just going to have to go to a dry cleaners, but I have not priced that or figured out how much all that would cost. So we will see about those. For today, I just kind of cleaned the bar above it, but the chairs weren't really just super, super bad, but you can still see the dust that had accumulated on them. So I hope today's video is giving you guys a ton of motivation. I feel like spring cleaning is one of those you just kind of dread doing it. And even though I am an OCD cleaner and I love to clean, I actually really enjoy it and it helps with my health anxiety, it still is a little overwhelming to me when it comes to really trying to get in and deep clean spaces. But what I will say is when this whole video is over and you can even see how shiny this little glass terrarium is, here, everything was so shiny. So I hope that it's given you guys a ton of cleaning motivation.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew.
Here you guys may or may not notice that I got new hardware for these cabinets, and I just wanted to share this was another great outlet find, although I'm still looking for 3 of them, but these retail on Restoration Hardware for $78 a piece, which is, oh my goodness, like way too expensive. And although I don't feel that I got them super cheap by any means, it was still not, very inexpensive, but we got them for $14 a piece at the outlet mall. So I'm still looking for 3 of them. I've been checking eBay and other places like that. I also will be going back to the outlet mall because a lot of times they will get those things in stock. But I'm really happy with the way that it kind of just updated the space. And I think it just, I don't know, it feels better to pull the handles. I don't know. I know everybody likes it different ways, but for me, I like using the handles. So I just wanted to share that with you guys.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone.
This is the scariest part of the video for me, is moving these glass globes, because every time I try to clean them, I just picture them crashing to the ground. And I guess maybe that is the, if I'm a health anxiety sufferer, the pessimistic side of thinking in an event that something negative is going to happen for sure, shows that side to me that struggles with health anxiety. But anyway, I'm moving on to dusting off the chandelier and the curtain rod up there. But I did a poll over on my community tab, and it looks like, from asking you guys what you wanted to see, that most people want to see cleaning motivation, decluttering, and organizing. I will still incorporate, kind of like I just did with the handles from the outlet mall, some of my outlet finds and things for people that enjoy the shopping hauls. Although some of those videos do well and some of them don't, so it just kind of depends if I will actually do more shopping hauls or not, but I probably most likely will just incorporate them into the video. And I definitely will still share about my health anxiety and OCD, because after all, that is why this channel is here. It's been one of my main focuses because it helps me to manage, and I also wanted to be there to support other people. So if there's anything else that I didn't kind of talk about that I'm not showing that you guys want to see, definitely leave that in the comments down below. And again, if you've made it this far, I hope that you guys are getting a ton of motivation.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say,
I hope you guys are enjoying the spring cleaning motivation so far. Let me know, have you started spring cleaning? Have you finished spring cleaning? Have you decorated for spring? Or Do you follow like a strict list and schedule, or do you just kind of go with the flow and do it as it comes? I'm just curious as to how everybody does it, because I haven't always done it this way. And honestly, I'll be completely honest with you guys. 10 years ago, I don't even know if I officially spring cleaned my house, to be completely honest. So this is a little bit newer for me too. So I'm curious what you guys like to do.
Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah.
All right, we're about to finish up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love getting to meet you guys and talk to you guys in the comments. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. I will be back here again next Tuesday at 9 o'clock, and I will be doing some more spring cleaning. So stay tuned for that, and make sure your notification bell is turned on. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and as always, much love. Bye.
Fighter, if you want, I can be a fighter. If you want, all the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter